Here is a Fasco Charleston first gen, and I think it's antique brass that I got from Mark Welker a couple months back. I think it was back in fall is when I got this. So I decided to put it up. And as you can see, it's got a turtle fitter canopy, ball and socket because I don't have the mounting bracket for it. It's a metal plate with a J hook mount welded to it. I don't got any of those because I never got any. So yeah, interesting story about this is that when I put it up yesterday, low wasn't working, and so it wasn't working on downdraft. So I switched it to updraft and it worked. I switched it back to downdraft and it came on. So I don't know. I think it's got Down syndrome. So anyway, we'll go to low. This is about the speed for this. I want to say it's running at about probably about 60 RPMs on low. And where the camera is about where my eyes are at. Oh yeah. It's just a big fan. Go to medium. I'm about 3 feet away from it. But it was a decent breeze. Well, I was like a bitch on high, so I won't be going on that for too long. I'll go to high. You can see my flag waving in the wind. I'll go to off. Ouch. Yeah, this is my goal for this room, is to put a Fasco up. And finally put it up. I'll probably leave this here for a while now since low works. And yep. And until next time.